Hello, I'm Dennis Yanakis. I'm the Director for the Lancashire Clinical Research Facility. The facility has now been operational for 18 months. The facility is a collaboration between 4 institutions. They are Lancaster University, Lancashire Teaching Hospitals NHS Trust, Lancashire Care Foundation NHS Trust. It is also supported by the National Institute for Health Research with a substantial grant to acknowledge its work. Over the last 18 months, the facility has increased the number of experimental studies that we are running across all aspects of health. Experimental studies are often thought of as drug studies for phase 1 and phase 2 drugs. However, here we are also running psychology studies, we are also running studies in devices, we are doing significant work with Lancaster University in this field. We are also doing, as you would expect, a number of drug studies and excited to soon host a phase 1 study in oncology. I'm going to pass you over to Jacqueline Bramley, my colleague, who is our operations manager here, and Nicola Vestralen, my colleague, who job shares with Jacqueline in the operations manager role. Jacqueline and Nicola are going to talk to you particularly about studies we have been running at the CRF with Lancaster University.
Welcome to the Lancashire Clinical Research Facility. My name is Jacqueline Bramley, I'm the Operational Manager.
I'm Alison Swan and I'm the Clinic Sister here at the Research Facility.
I'm Nicola Vestralen, I'm the Operational Manager, job sharing with Jackie.
We've also got Michelle Dorrington and Karen Jones, who are our 2 clinical research nurses. And excitingly, we've just employed our first research physician, Dr. Oko, to the team. We'd like to thank Lancaster University and the NIHR for the support and funding to be able to deliver clinical research by employing these staff we have here today.
We're really excited to be able to say that we're going to do our first phase 1 trial. There's a lot of work's gone on in the background to get to where we are today. We've collaborated with the resuscitation services within the hospital and the critical care unit. We've sought advice from the oncology team and we've made sure that patient safety is paramount.
The Lancashire Clinical Research Facility has supported a number of studies from researchers at Lancaster University. One such study is run by a senior lecturer. She approached the facility with an idea to monitor children's glucose levels before breakfast and after breakfast. So we supported her in a number of ways. Not only did we support her on the delivery of the study within the research facility, but we also helped her out on the practicalities of running a study within the NHS and also paediatrics. Our nurses within the facility have received extra training to be able to run clinical trials and research studies with children. And we also have the support from Lancaster Teaching Hospitals, paediatric team, research team to deliver the studies. We work with the clinicians to develop SOPs so that the safety of the children was paramount when they came to the facility. We also helped Sandra with the advice on how to engage with children and their families when delivering research studies, because that could be quite complicated. So we advised her to go to some mum and baby groups just to see how she could deliver the study, and that will help her with recruitment. So please bring your studies to the Clinical Research Facility and we can work with you to try and deliver your studies effectively and to target.
We've also been working with Lancaster University on a couple of other studies. One is looking at a novel device in paediatrics, which could potentially change the way that children with epilepsy are managed. We've also been working with a psychology student at Lancaster University who works alongside Trent Crawford, looking looking at studying Parkinson's disease and using virtual reality. So that's going to be a really exciting study that we're going to do. We're really excited to increase our paediatric research, and we're hoping that we can get the baby lab set up in the CRF soon.
So please, when you're setting up your research studies and got your research idea, please engage with us, because we'd really like to be able to support you in setting up the study and delivering the study.
So, as you have heard from Jacqueline and Nicola, we have great collaborations with Lancaster University. We are members of your health partnership group that we attend regularly. We hope to build on these collaborations, and I'll invite you all to contact us at the email address or by telephone to discuss any studies that you want to run at Lancashire Clinical Research Facility. We're here to help you make your study successful.